Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about or we're going to be discussing the PMT function in Excel. So this is a financial function that allows us to calculate for the regular payments that we will be making for money that we borrow or for a loan amount, given the annual rate or the annual interest and the number of years or number of months that we're going to be paying for this loan. So in this spreadsheet, you can see some information. We have the rate here, the annual rate or the annual interest, which is 5%. And we have the number of years that we will be paying for this loan. That's 4 years. And the loan amount. The loan amount is $50,000. So given this information, how much are we going to be paying, let's say, monthly? All right. So in order to do this, we can actually just type in the function by typing equal PMT. And as you can see, Excel already gives you some or confirms that there is a PMT function right there. You can click that, but I usually just type in the open parenthesis. And when I do that, you will see, let me see if I can zoom in here. There we go. So as you can see here, you see the different arguments, the rate, the number of periods, they're separated by commas, the present value, the number of periods is of course the 4 years right here. The present value is the loan amount. The future value, if you leave that as 0, the assumption is we're going to be paying for the entire amount that we borrowed. Otherwise, you can put here a balance. And the type, we usually skip that as well. So typically the FV, future value, we skip with the assumption that we're paying for the entire amount over 4 years. And for the type, that's another optional argument. Usually if we skip that, that becomes a type 0, which means we're paying let's say if we're paying monthly, we're paying at the end of each period or the end of each month, not at the beginning. Okay, so let me just include all these information here. So let me zoom out a bit. There we go. So first is the rate. So I'm going to include the 5% right here, which is my rate, and this is an annual rate. However, I am paying monthly, so I must convert all the, say, the time units that I'm using here to months. So I must convert this to a monthly rate instead of an annual rate. In order for me to convert this into a monthly rate, I must divide that interest rate, which is in B3, 5%, by 12. There you go. Okay, so that's the first argument. I'm going to type in comma. The next argument is the number of periods, or how many times we're going to be paying. Now you see this is 4 years. So before is of course 4 years, and we need to convert the years into months. So what do? We multiply that. We multiply before, so use the asterisk, multiply that by 12, and now you convert the years to months. So we're now consistent, right? The first argument is the rate, which is an annual rate. Now that now has become a monthly rate. And this one, the period, is instead of 4 years has become months as well by multiplying the 4 years by 12. I type another comma. The present value is the loan amount, so I'm just going to click the loan amount here, B5, and I'm going to skip the other two arguments here. So I will just be pressing enter, or just close it and press enter, and there it is. That's the amount we're going to be paying every month, $1,151.46. Now you notice that this is a negative number. It is because it's money that's going out, money that we are paying. It's not money that we're earning, right? However, if you want to turn this into a positive value, all you need to do is edit the formula by double clicking, or you can also edit here in the formula bar and place a negative number just before PMT after the equal sign. There you go. And if you press enter, this becomes a positive amount. Okay, so now there's another way for you to create this function or formula. Let me just delete this. And this is by using the function button right here. There. Insert function. And if I click this, I can look for, actually PMT is already here, but if you want to look for it, you can actually type in here in the text box or the search box. You can type PMT or maybe payment. I'll just type PMT and click go. So there it is. And I'm going to click OK. And now I just need to fill out the different arguments for this function. Okay, so let me just zoom in this one here. There it is. Okay, so maybe I'll just click here, and I will, for the rate, I'll be using the 5%. Let me zoom out. So for the rate, I'll be using the 5% here, which is in B3. There you go. And again, the rate needs to be a monthly rate, so I will be dividing that by 12. So you can see here the result. This is the rate for every month. Okay, and the number of periods is this number here, 4, under B4 or in B4, and we need to convert that to months. So I'm going to be multiplying that by 12. And of course, our present value or the loan amount is B5. And I can click OK right now. And again, we have the same result. So $1,151.46 is the amount that we'll be paying every month for this loan. And that's it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.